Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're facing error connecting to the server, then watch this video for the solution. So the first thing we need to do is to connect to an other network or an other frequency of the network on which we are operating. By that I mean I am operating. So click on the Wi-Fi button, click on this arrow button, and now you can see I am connected to this 806 5G frequency. I also have the 806 4G frequency, which I cannot see now. But if you don't have a different frequency, then you can connect to an other network and it should try whether you get this error or not. If you are not getting this error while you're trying this network, then we need to check the speed of the internet. For that, we will go to a site like fast.com and we will check the connection speed. So if the connection speed is 20 megabytes per second and below, that means there's a problem with your internet and that is why you're getting this error. You need to contact your internet service provider to get your internet fixed. Now if those two solutions don't work, then it should be an issue with the browser. So for that I will do two things, and now the method I'm going to show you, or the steps I'm going to tell you, is the same across all the browsers. I'm using Edge. It is the same for the Chrome and for Opera or for Firefox. So I'll click on the three buttons here and look for history again, and then I'll look for the delete browsing history or delete browsing data tab, and I will use the time, select the time range all time, and I will make sure all these boxes are ticked, and I will check on clear now. And the second thing I can do is I can reset the browser. So I will click on the three buttons here, go to settings. In settings, I will look for reset settings, restore settings to the default value, and I'll click on reset. And then I will again try to connect to the site, and this error connecting to the server message should no longer appear. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.